So Izzy, you getting some kind of smell down here?
Yeah, I am. It's coming from this hallway.
Coming from the hallway? Do you know specifically where?
Kind of here.
In that area? And how long have you been smelling it?
Since we moved in.
Okay. Does it get better or worse certain times of the year?
Yeah.
When's it worse?
When it rains.
Oh, okay. And what about summer or winter? Do you notice a difference?
Kinda.
And what do you suspect it is?
The house.
There you go. So what we're going to do is smoke test this drain line through the clean out. So this is a smoke blown machine, and we'll put in a 60-second smoke bomb, light it, turn the fan motor on, so you probably won't see the smoke coming out of it because it's all getting sucked into that blower. And then it's it pushes lightly through so it doesn't blow out any P-traps, but it forces the smoke through the whole system. So this one here, we're getting smoke underneath her sink, and we were kind of suspecting it more in the room where she was in that hallway, but it turns out they were getting it under the sink. So I've lived there for about 3 years and was suspecting the worst, but it turns out they found it was an air admittance valve, a mechanical vent that had failed right there. So that's a good thing. So they replaced that mechanical vent with a new one, re-smoke tested it, and didn't get any smoke. So this is in a sewer lateral tap in the front yard. That's just an example of the amount of smoke that's pushed through the system, and it's a non-toxic smoke. So evidently it's fun to play with, right? But that smoke indicates where the smell comes from. So if you're smelling anything, we can do a test like this, and without cutting walls open or anything, and determine where that smell's coming from, so you don't have to live with it for 3 years like I have been, or Izzy has been down in our daylight basement.